Good morning everyone. Halo, selamat pagi semua. Hari ini kita akan belajar mulai dari Business English Communication 01 at the intermediate level, lesson 1. Oke, bagi Anda yang baru pertama kali masuk dalam Business English Communications, Anda memasuki pelajaran ini pada level intermediate level. Nah, di sini Anda akan mempelajari intermediate level with the method that helping you out to memorize. Oke, mari kita masuk saja, kita mulai. Let us begin with our lessons. Here you will see a different approach. Anda akan melihat perbedaan pada metodenya. Anda akan melihat di sini itu tulisan beserta gambar. Saya akan membacakannya dan sambil Anda melihat gambarnya, Anda akan belajar untuk mengingat. Oke, mari langsung saja kita cobakan. Oke. Anda akan melihat di sini bacaannya. Oke, lalu berikutnya, Anda akan melihat sampai ada latihan practice 1, conversation, some might people. Nah, di sini Anda akan melihat kosakata itu tadi di samping gambar-gambar ini dalam bentuk titik-titik. Nah, di sini Anda akan dilatih untuk mengingat apa yang sudah Anda pelajari di halaman sebelumnya. Nah, dengan gambar akan memudahkan Anda lebih bisa mengingat apa yang kita pelajari, apa sangkut pautnya antara kata dan simbolnya. Nah, baiklah, contohnya di sini Anda akan melihat important dengan simbolnya ini speaker, dengan di sininya said mengatakan ke sini. Baik, mari kita mulai saja ya. Nah, starting a conversation with people you meet. Memulai percakapan dengan orang yang Anda jumpai. Nah, dalam dunia kerja, Anda banyak akan bertemu orang-orang. Nah, di sini situasinya adalah setelah sebuah seminar, di jam rehat, Anda berjumpa dengan orang yang tidak dikenal, Anda mulai mengajak berbicara. Tapi sini situasinya adalah, some people might not in mood to talk. Ada sebagian orang yang memang lagi nggak pengen bicara. Nah, contohnya ini paling sering nanti Anda hadapi, karena ada sebagian orang yang lebih banyak mungkin nanti yang malas bicara. Oke, mari kita masuk ke sini. Nah, ucapkan bersama saya. That was really important what the speaker said about investing in gold in this time. Okay. That was really important what the speaker said about investing in gold in this time. Once again, that was really important what the speaker said about investing in gold in this time. Nah, apa artinya? Artinya ini, that was really, itu tadi, important, sangat penting, what the speaker, apa sang pembicara, said, katakan, about investing, tentang investasi, in gold, di emas, in this time, di masa kini. That was really important what the speaker said about investing in gold in this time. Lalu berikutnya dia menjawab si B, yes it was. So what do you do exactly? Nah, yes it was. Ya, benar. Okay, yes it was. So what do you do exactly? So, what do you do? Nah, Anda lihat di sini kata what do you do, ada variasi pekerjaan. Berarti sini exactly artinya tepatnya. Kalau Anda pernah dengar kata ilmu eksakta berarti ilmu pasti. Exactly artinya pastinya. So what do you do exactly? Jadi apa sebenarnya yang Anda kerjakan? Atau apa sebenarnya what do you do? Apa sebenarnya pekerjaan Anda? Nah, ini ada pilihan variasi di sini. Nah, what do you do exactly? Nah, lalu dia menjawab, I'm an accountant. Saya seorang akuntan. Anda bisa melihat di gambarnya di sini karena kerjaan orang akuntan. Oke, I am an accountant. Di sini bacanya jadi I'm an. Oke. I'm sama an dibaca I'm an accountant. I'm an accountant. Di sini digabungkan dia I'm an accountant. Itu namanya asimilasi kata dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi pembacaannya bukan I'm an accountant, tapi I'm an accountant. Oke. Saya lanjutkan. pengulangan sekali lagi pada membacanya dari atas ya. That was really important what the speaker said about investing in gold in this time. Lalu dia menjawab, yes it was. So what do you do exactly? I'm an accountant. Oke, nah lalu masuk sini kita besarkan. You're an accountant? Oh, kamu accountant? Oke, ini dibaca dia menjadi bukan you're an accountant, tapi you're an accountant. You're an accountant. Dia disatukan you're an accountant. Yes, that's right. Ya, itu benar. Nah, karena dia lagi tidak mood berbicara, dia mengatakan, right, oke lah. I see, saya mengerti. Lalu dia mengajak, shall we get to the next? Oke, shall we artinya ayo kita lanjutkan yang berikutnya. Next, presentation. Presentasi berikutnya. Shall we get to the next presentations? Kita besarkan di sini supaya lebih gampang. Right. Oh, I see. Shall we get to the next presentations? Kita kecilkan ya. Oh, right. I see. Shall we get to the next presentation? Oh, begitu ya. Ayo kita ke presentasi berikutnya. Nah, berikutnya Anda masuk kepada practice 1. Conversations. Some people might not in mood to talk. Sebagian orang mungkin malas berbicara. Nah, dari gambar ini, saya minta untuk mengisi titik-titik yang ada tersedia di sini yang dikaitkan dengan gambar. Nah, saya harap dengan bantuan gambar Anda bisa mengingatnya. Oke, mari kita mulai ya. Kita lihat di sini. Nah, ini dia, di sini. That was really, apa sini gambarnya? Do you remember? That was really important. That was really important. What the, can you remember? Bisa ingat? What the speaker, apa sang pembicara? Katakan, said about investing in this time. Mari kita mulai sekali lagi dari atas. That was really important what the speaker said about investing in this time. Nah, kita kelupaan satu ini. About investing in gold in this time. Oke, kita lanjutkan berikutnya. Yes, it was. Ya, benar. So, what? Can you remember? Yes, it was. So, what you exactly? Nah, ini menanyakan apa pekerjaan Anda tepatnya. Jadi, yes, it was. So, what do you do exactly? Yes, it was. So, what do you do exactly? Nah, di sini dia mengatakan, saya seorang akuntan. Bahasa Inggrisnya adalah, I'm an accountant. I'm an accountant. You're an accountant. Yes, that's right. Ya, benar. Nah, karena dia malas bicara, dia bilang, right. Oh, I see. Dia mengajak, Anda bisa lihat di gambar. Ayo, pergi. Ada yang mengingat? Oke, cara-cara. Shall we get to the, nah ini adalah simbol kata DVD, next presentations. Oh, I see. Apa tadi di sini? Ingat? Shall we get to the next presentations? Oke, dari atas kita ulangi. Yes, it was. So what do you do exactly? I'm an accountant. You're an accountant? Yes, that's right. Right. Oh, I see. Shall we get to the next presentations? Good. Mari kita masuk ke percakapan berikutnya. Conversation 2. Talking about places. Berbicara tentang tempat. Lovely cappuccino. It reminds me of Italy. I just flew in from Jakarta very early this morning. Let me zoom. Lovely cappuccino. Artinya, cappuccino yang sangat enak. It reminds me, itu mengingatkan saya, of Italy, Italia. I just flew, dari gambarnya lihat dia terbang, ya, pesawat terbang. I just flew in from Jakarta, dari Jakarta, very early, pagi-pagi sekali, sekitar jam 4, this morning, pagi ini. Lovely cappuccino. Ucapkan bersama saya. Lovely cappuccino. It reminds me of Italy. It reminds me of Italy. I just flew in. I just flew in from Jakarta very early this morning. Lalu bawahnya jawabnya, how did you get here? Bagaimana apa Anda ke sini? How did you get here? Lalu dia menjawab, I came on, saya naik the Shinkansen train. Saya naik kereta api Shinkansen from, dari Tokyo. Oke, ucapkan sama saya. I came on the Shinkansen train from Tokyo. I came on the Shinkansen train from Tokyo. Nah, lalu dia berkata, really? Oh ya? I have never been on, saya tidak pernah naik, Anda bisa melihat di sini naik, the Shinkansen, saya belum pernah naik Shinkansen. How long did that take? Berapa lama itu perjalanannya? Really? Ucapkan bersama saya. Really? I've never been on the Shinkansen. How long did that take? Dari atas ya, saya ucapkan sekali lagi, diulangi. Lovely cappuccino. It reminds me of Italy. I just flew in from Jakarta very early this morning. How did you get here? Lalu si dia menjawab, I came on the Shinkansen train from Tokyo. Really? I've never been on Shinkansen. How long did that take? Berapa lama perjalanannya? Lalu dia menjawab, only 30 minutes. Really fast, sangat cepat. And really comfortable, dan sangat nyaman. Ulangi bersama saya. Oh, only 30 minutes. Really fast and really comfortable. Lalu dia bilang, that sounds terrific. Itu kedengarannya, that sounds terrific, sangat hebat. Ucapkan bersama saya, that sounds terrific. That sounds terrific. I will try it back from. Saya zoom ya, lebih gampang lihatnya. I will try it back from. Saya akan mencoba itu nanti pulang dari. Here from to Tokyo. Back from here to Tokyo. Pulang dari sini ke Tokyo. Tokyo is really fascinating. Tokyo sangat luar biasa. Tokyo is really fascinating. Isn't it? Iya kan? Tokyo is really fascinating, isn't it? Lalu dia jawabnya, it is. Ya benar. Have you been there? Sudah pernah ke sana? It is. Have you been there? Sudah pernah ke sana? Before, sebelumnya. If you haven't, kalau kamu belum pernah, you must see the blooming sakura. Anda harus melihat bunga sakura yang mekar. Oke, kita baca sama-sama lagi. Ucapkan sama saya. It is. Have you been there before? If you haven't, you must see the blooming sakura. Oke, sekali lagi dari atas. Oh, only 30 minutes. Really fast and really comfortable. That sounds terrific. I will try it back from here to Tokyo. Tokyo is really fascinating, isn't it? It is. Have you been there before? If you haven't, you must see the blooming sakura. Good. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke latihannya. The practice 2. Talking about places. Apa Anda masih ingat yang tadi? Apa katanya di sini? Lovely cappuccino. It mengingatkan saya. It reminds me of Italy. Itu mengingatkan saya Italia. Saya baru saja flew in. Baru saja terbang dari from Jakarta very early this morning. Lalu dia menanyakan, kamu naik apa ke sini? Bagaimana bahasa Inggrisnya? How? How did you get here? How did you get here? Lalu dia mengatakan, saya naik. I came on the Shinkansen, kereta api, train from dari Tokyo. Really? Saya belum pernah naik. I've never been on the Shinkansen. Berapa lama? How long did that take? How long did that take? Kita ulang dari atas. Lovely cappuccino. It reminds me of Italy. I just flew in from Jakarta very early this morning. How did you get here? I came on the Shinkansen train from Tokyo. Really? I've never been on a Shinkansen train. How long did that take? Oh, only 30 minutes. Really? Cepat? Fast? And really dan sangat nyaman? Comfortable. Lalu dia menjawab, itu kedengarannya bagus sekali. Itu, that, kedengarannya sounds bagus sekali. Great, terrific. Ada banyak kata menjadi bagus sekali. Good. I will try it back from here to Tokyo. Tokyo is really luar biasa fascinating, isn't it? Tokyo is really fascinating, isn't it? It is. Tanyakan apakah sudah pernah ke sana sebelumnya? Have you been there before? Sudah pernah ke situ? Have you been there before? If you haven't, kalau belum pernah, you must see, Anda harus melihat the blooming sakura. Sakura yang blooming. The blooming sakura. Bunga sakura yang mekar. Oke, kita ulang dari atas. Only 30 minutes. Really fast and really comfortable. That sounds great. I will try it back from here to Tokyo. Tokyo is really fascinating, isn't it? It is. Have you been there before? If you haven't, you must see the blooming sakura. Oke, kita masuk ke percakapan berikutnya. Talking about food and places. Nah, Anda bisa melihat di sini. I'm certainly looking forward. Saya betul-betul looking forward, artinya menanti-nanti. Looking artinya melihat, forward jauh ke depan. Artinya saya menanti-nanti. I'm certainly looking forward. Ucapkan bersama saya, I'm certainly looking forward. I'm certainly looking forward to the lunch. Makan siang. To the lunch. This afternoon. Siang ini. This afternoon. Oke, ucapkan sama saya. I'm certainly looking forward to the lunch this afternoon. I am too. Katanya jawab menjawab. Especially the Swedish cheese. Terutama kejunya orang Swedia. Ucapkan lagi. I am too. Especially the Swedish cheese. Terutama kejunya orang Swedia. We don't have much cheese. Kami nggak sering makan keju. Where I live, di tempat saya tinggal. I am too. Especially the Swedish cheese. We don't have much cheese where I live. Lalu yang jawab, really? Where do you come from then? Oh ya? Dari mana kamu datang? Really? Where do you come from then? Kamu datang dari mana? Medan, Indonesia. It's in Sumatra Island. Itu di Pulau Sumatera. It's in Sumatra Island. Near to Malaysia. Dekat dengan Malaysia. What about you? Bagaimana dengan Anda? Medan, Indonesia. It's in Sumatra Island. Near to Malaysia. What about you? Bagaimana denganmu? I'm from Seoul in Korea. Saya dari Seoul di Korea. I'm from Seoul in Korea. Korea is supposed. Korea itu harusnya, atau saya rasa gitu ya, to have more ancient houses, rumah-rumah zaman dahulu, than any other country in Asia, dibandingkan negara-negara manapun di Asia. Really? I'm going there to visit the Samsung factory. Oh ya? Saya akan mengunjungi pabrik Samsung. Really? I'm going there to visit the Samsung factory. Oh ya? Saya akan berkunjung ke Samsung factory. Baik, saya baca sekali lagi dari atas. I'm certainly looking forward to the lunch this afternoon. I am too, especially the Swedish cheese. We don't have much cheese where I live. Really? Where do you come from then? Medan, Indonesia. It's in Sumatra Island, near to Malaysia. What about you? I'm from Seoul in Korea. Korea is supposed to have more ancient houses than any other country in Asia. Really? I'm going there to visit the Samsung factory. Lalu dia menjawab di sini, dia lanjutkan, I must spare time to see them. Saya harus menyempatkan waktu. I must spare time. I must spare time artinya harus punya waktu luang. I must spare time to see them, untuk melihat itu tadi. Rumah-rumah tadi maksudnya. Oke, kita masuk ke practice 3. Conversation talking about food and places. Apakah Anda masih ingat? I'm certainly menunggu-nunggu. I'm certainly forward. Apa diisi di sini? I'm certainly looking forward to the Swedish food, to the lunch this afternoon. I am too, especially the Swedish cheese. I am too, especially the Swedish cheese. We don't have much cheese where I live. Really? Where do you come from then? Kamu datangnya dari mana? Medan, Indonesia. It's in Sumatra Island, near to Malaysia. What about you? Bagaimana dengan Anda? Lalu dia masukkan ke sini. Dia menjawab, I'm from Seoul in Korea. Saya dari Seoul di Korea. Korea is supposed to have more ancient houses than any other country in Asia. Really? I'm going there to visit the Samsung factory. I must spare time to see them. Baik, saya kecilkan lagi. I'm from Seoul in Korea. Korea is supposed to have more ancient houses than any other country in Asia. Really? I'm going there to visit the Samsung factory. I must spare time to see them. Okay, that's all for our practice for the very first lesson in English Communications 01. If you have any questions, kalau Anda punya pertanyaan, please write in the comment boxes columns below, and I will be replying you. And if you think this is quite difficult for you, it means that you should review my lessons before these lessons, lower level, before the intermediate level, that is the beginner maybe, or the pre-intermediate, to check where your foundations in English still weak. And after you review and practice from the lower level, then you come to this level, it will feels easier, a lot easier. Okay, thank you very much. Please check my YouTube for the next level, for the next lesson. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Prabir Brahmana signing off.